feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
Baby girl, you give me 10 ton of fatness, give me some of that. Links with the badness, look how she at. Shape like a death, but I'm not just that. It's a good piece of mentals under the cap. A piece of game, I'm love how you chat. Watching every step of the paper, the way you got.
Hi babies, Mstoofine, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the usual Boxycharm unboxing. So first of all, this is the card for this month, and it's a bit different, and as usual it lists the items in this month's box and the cost for each item. So we're gonna start off with the first item of this month's box, which is this Tarteus Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and the shade I got is Toner, and the cost for this is $29. I'm just going to swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. I hope this matches my skin so I can actually try it. So this is what it looks like. Kind of look ashy, but I will try this out and let you guys know. The next item out this month's box is this Adobe New York high definition liquid lipstick, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to swatch the shade for you. This seems very creamy, and this is the shade. And this shade is pretty much right up my alley, and the cost for this is $24. Okay, so clearly the liquid lipstick is a gloss because it's not dry and matte, it still has a sheen. The next item out this month's box is this Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner. It's a Pour No More purifying mask, and this is what it looks like. And the cost for this is $24. So the next item of this month's box is the Brown Girl tinted eyebrow gel. Like, this is the shade, and the cost for this is $22. No, this is my complexion. There's no way this will match me any at all. No dark skin person. Like, I'm not really in love with this month's box, but I'll just continue to unbox it since I unbox the ones I do love. So I want you guys to get my impression that not all the boxes I really love, and I did get a box again that I didn't love, but I didn't get a chance to record it. But I'm not loving this box. Yeah, but let's move on to the next item, and the last item of this month's box is this My Little Pony eyeshadow kit, and this is from Colourpop. Okay, this is the Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and I'm not really sure how I feel about this palette. Maybe I should swatch some colors. Okay, the payoff is not bad. These are the shadows. I'm not sure why the color payoff is not coming off good on camera. Maybe I'll swatch it in the day because it's night right now. It's after 9, so I guess I'll swatch it in the day and let you guys see a picture. But the payoff it's not bad, and the cost of this palette is $16. So that's all for this month's box, and the total cost is. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you guys can see from unboxing it, I'm not really a big fan of this month's box. The only thing I love from this month's box is the Dr. Brandt Pour No More mask or cleanser. Yeah, it's a mask. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye babies.